Welcome to your video tutorial on pace. By pace, I mean the speed at which you do your talk or your presentation. A lot of people say to me, oh, I speak too quickly when I do public speaking. It's a really common thing, and there are a few things you can do to get around this. The first thing to realise is you're probably speaking more quickly than normal because of an excess of adrenaline in your system. So what you can do is you can do a couple of things to reduce that adrenaline response. The first thing you can do is become more grounded. So your energy is literally connecting to the ground. And the way you can do this is to imagine roots coming out the soles of your feet, going into the earth before you do your talk. And secondly, what you can do is you can breathe from your lower belly. Take a couple of deep breaths before your talk or your presentation, and that will help lower the adrenaline. And then another thing you can do in the privacy of your own home, say, when you're practicing, is to say slow out loud before your talk and after each sentence. And then do this a few times, and then when you practice again, what you can do is say slow in your mind at the beginning and in between each sentence. And then eventually you won't need to say the word slow, and you will have naturally slowed down, and it will also help your breathing as well, and your breathing in turn will help reduce the pace. And one final thing I want to say on pace before I close is it's quite useful to be able to quicken your pace sometimes and to be able to slow your pace down. So it's useful to have that variety because then it makes it more interesting for the listener. So do have a practice varying your pace. Thank you very much.